Hey everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. Look, for many people when they start a health and wellness journey, a lot of times the beginning goal is to lose weight, and that often starts with the food that we eat. And research absolutely backs this up. We know, we have many studies that show weight loss is most successful when we focus on changing what we eat. We know that behavior change is sustainable if it's livable. So as health coaches, we don't tell our clients what to eat and what not to eat because we want everything to be on the menu that is part of their own unique lifestyle. But what we will do is help them shift to a healthier pattern of eating so that they can still eat the foods that they love in the ways that work for them and their unique lifestyle. We want to support our clients with strategies, techniques, and healthy habits that will build over time healthier habits around food. And we want to teach them how to plan for the occasions that will be coming up where they will want to enjoy the foods that they love that might possibly not be on the menu for every single day. We call these red light foods. They're not bad foods. They're just stop and think. Perhaps these aren't foods that we want to eat and enjoy every single day when we're trying to work towards a healthier pattern of eating. So whether you work with a health coach or not, you can find out more about working with a health coach at friscofitcity.com. If budget is an issue, I always say I want people to reach out to me because if you financially are not able to work with a private health coach, I want to put you in touch with some resources that could potentially be available to you in your area so that you can get into a program, especially if you are suffering from a chronic disease already or pre-diabetic at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It's so vitally important to make these healthy changes so that you are not confined by a diagnosis of diabetes. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day. Make it a great day.